With hundreds or thousands of jars in a system, isolating issues and generating reports can be challenging. Managing your battery data with Cellwatch 4.0 just got a lot easier. Data Manager is a comprehensive alarm management and reporting tool that provides administrators with battery health information and allows them to easily create and save reports. Double-click the Data Manager icon on the IBMU desktop to launch the application. It shows the latest alarms listed from newest to oldest, including the time the alarm started and ended, the type of alarm, which battery or string and/or cell where the alarm occurred, as well as the value of the reading associated with the alarm. Data Manager also has the new capability to tag alarms as acknowledged. This enables the administrator to identify alarms that have been processed. The checkboxes in the rightmost column with the A heading are where alarms are acknowledged. To acknowledge an alarm, simply check the box. To undo an acknowledgement, uncheck the box. For instance, you may find a failing jar, and once an order has been placed for a replacement jar, the alarm can be acknowledged, thus allowing the administrator to focus on more urgent, unaddressed alarms that might exist in the system. The controls at the bottom allow you to select and display alarm data for specific cells or probes, strings, or batteries. Checking on the Advanced Select Mode Enabled box activates two more selection features. By holding down the control button on the keyboard, multiple selections can be displayed. By holding down the Shift key on the keyboard, ranges can be displayed. The panels on the right side provide a broad range of controls and filters. To filter by dates, check the Enable Date Filter box and enter the range of dates in the From and To fields. You can also filter alarms by type and status. By clicking on any of the filter buttons under the Type section, individual alarm types can be displayed or filtered. Click on Voltage Alarms, and the alarm list shows only voltage alarms. To see ohmic value alarms also, simply click on the corresponding checkbox, and the alarm list now includes both alarm types. If no alarm types are selected, then there are no filters, and all four types are included in the alarm list. Active alarms are highlighted in red. Once the alarm condition is ended, the background will change to white, as these alarms illustrate. Another useful filter is controlled by the status buttons. There are two types of status filters, one for acknowledged alarms and one for active alarms. Click on the Unacknowledged Alarms button and the Active Alarms button. This will update the list to show only those alarms that are both active and unacknowledged. Any alarms that are inactive or acknowledged will not be included in the display. Data Manager also provides an export feature so you can export alarm data as a CSV file to create a report. To export the report, click on File followed by Export as CSV option. The system will then prompt for a file name and location. The report can be saved on the IBMU, on an external drive connected to the IBMU, or on the network if the IBMU is network enabled. Click Save to complete the export. Cellwatch 4.0's Data Manager makes it easier to monitor the status of large battery installations by managing alarms and creating reports.